Good morning, student. Yesterday, just we learned about the land resources. Class 10 Geography. Okay. Yesterday we learned about the land. Yesterday we discuss about the definition and importance of the land. Today we learn the landforms. Today we learn about the landforms. There are four landforms. That are mountain, plains, plateau, and hill. These are the four landforms. These landforms are also known as features of land. Okay, it is also called relief. Okay, it is also called relief. ये relief भी कहलाता है. Mountains, plains, plateau and hills, these are the four forms of land. It included told it landforms और landforms को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? Relief बोलते हैं. Okay, relief means the features of the land. अब landforms ये four है. अब now India's का landforms देखेंगे. India's की जो एरिया है, India's area 3.28 million. Okay, million kilometer square. It is the Indian area 3.28 million kilometer square. 3.28 million kilometer square में अगर माउंटेन को देखेंगे तो ये माउंटेन हमारे इंडिया में जो है वो 11%. ओके, प्लेन्स है ये 43%. ओके, प्लेट्यू है 27% और हिल्स जो है वह है 19%. ओके, these are the distribution of the lands in our country. इंडियास की लैंड एरिया कितना है? इंडियास का टोटल ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया 3.28 million kilometer square है. In this area we find 11% of our country is mountain, 43% is plains and 27% area plateau and 19% is hill. Okay, these are the distribution of the lands of our country. Landforms में four landforms है. ये four landforms में से अगर इसको distribute करेंगे तो then we find the mountain, plains, plateau and the hills, and these are the 11% mountain, 43% plains, 27% plateau and 19% area of our nation is covered with the hills. Okay, these are the distribution of the landforms of our nation, of our country. Now it formed in another ways. ओके, हम इसको फिर दूसरे तरीके से भी समझ सकते हैं. देन वी मेक अ डायग्राम. हम एक डायग्राम बनाएंगे, पाई चार्ट बनाएंगे और ये पाई चार्ट हो गया. और इस पाई चार्ट में देखेंगे तो 43% एरिया. ओके, 43% एरिया आपका हो गया. 43% एरिया प्लेन्स है एंड 11% एरिया माउंटेन है। 27% एरिया प्लेट्यू है, ओके, एंड 19% एरिया hills है। These are the another way by which we explain to the landforms of our nation as the following ways. Okay, make this diagram and learn to this. How much area of our nation is covered with the mountain? How much area of our country is covered with the plains? And how much area of our nation is covered with the plateau? How much area of our nation is covered with the hills? And these are the distributions of the lands in our country. Okay, these are the distributed of the landforms and of our nation. And plains is the maximum part of our nation is the plains, and the minimum part of our nation is covered with the mountain. Some geographer included to this mountain and hill, and so we can say some geographer only divides landforms into three categories, and these are mountains and the hills, plains and plateau. So it became the 43%, 27% and 30% mountain and hill. Some geographer explain only the three landforms, okay, then hills and mountains become the one topics, okay. So plains, plateau and the mountain and hills. Plains 43%, 27% and 30% mountain and hills. So some geographers explain to this into the three landforms, but I classify to this into the four forms of the land, and these are the plains, mountains, hills and the plateau. Okay, and now we learn what are the features and how these are the importance for us. Okay, अब हम एक और टेबल बनाएंगे और उस टेबल से हम इसको समझेंगे कि what are the features and for of our of the landforms for the human being. Okay, now make it tables, and by this we learned to this, yeah, and we understood about this landforms. Name of landforms. Name of landforms. Okay. Features. Okay. First, mountain. माउंटेन, ओके, माउंटेन को अगर देखेंगे तो सबसे पहला फीचर्स है इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द origin of perennial. Okay, second, it is covered with natural vegetation. Okay, covered with natural vegetation. And third, these regions are rich in biodiversities. Okay, these regions are rich in biodiversities. For these regions are rich in minerals. Okay, these are the features of the mountainous regions. And the fifth, 11% area of our nation is covered with what? Mountain. Okay, These are the features of the mountain. And second topics हो जाएंगे. The first mountain and second हो जाएंगे आपको second plains. Plains, okay? And now the features of the plains. अब हम features of the plains देखेंगे. अभी आपने mountains का features देखा, plain का features देखेंगे. It is most important landforms most important landforms for human beings. Okay, it provides suitable conditions for the growth of plants, trees, which provides us food. Okay, the second important features of the plants. And third, it is suitable for the habitat for the human being. Okay, human being. Okay, these are the three important features of the plants. Next हो जाएगा 43% area of our nation is covered with plains. Okay, these are the features of the plains. Now we learned about the third topics. थर्ड टॉपिक्स का फीचर किसका होगा? थर्ड होगा वो है प्लेट्यू. Okay, now we learn about the features of the plateau. The first, the importance of the plateau or the features of the plateau for our life. As the first, it is covered with the natural vegetation. Okay, covered with the vegetation. Okay, covered with the natural vegetation. Second, it is the sources of the minerals. It means plateau region is rich in the minerals resources. Okay, now the third important feature is 27% area of our nation, ये हमारे देश का 27% भाग पर 27% एरिया पर ये एस्प्रिंग कीवर्ड फैला हुआ है। और ये बेसिक रूप से अगर देखा जाए तो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन से कवर्ड है, और नेचुरल वेजिटेशन जो कवर्ड है वो हमारे लिए विच इज द इकोनॉमिकली कह सकते हैं which is important for the ecological balance, okay. These are the features of the third landforms as plateau, okay. Now we learn the fourth importance। फोर्थ क्या है, तो फोर्थ है जो माउंटेन्स का पार्ट है और वह है फोर्थ हिल। और हिल्स का फीचर्स जो है बेसिक रूप से वही फीचर होंगे जो फीचर आपने माउंटेन्स को पढ़ा है, सिर्फ एक इसमें डिफरेंसेस क्या आ जाएंगे, तो वो डिफरेंसेस आ जाएंगे कि इसका एरिया अलग है। अब दोनों को एक साथ भी रख करके एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, हिल्स एंड द माउंटेन्स, एंड उसका जो फीचर्स होगा वो होगा, दोनों का एरिया प्लस कर देंगे। फिर भी हम इसको अलग कर दे रहे हैं ना, ओके। इसको सेपरेट फॉर्म में हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं। अब ये हमारे लिए हिल्स कैसे इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो हिल्स में देखेंगे दिस landforms as the sub part of which is also covered with the forest and wildlife. Next है this region is important for the natural habitat of ट्राइबल पीपल। ये ट्राइबल पीपल के लिए एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट फॉर्म में पड़ता है। इट इज covered with the different types of minerals and water, okay. Now 19% area of our nation is covered with the hills, okay. These are the important of the hills. These are the features of the hills, and by which these landforms are the many ways beneficial for the human beings. ये सभी जो है वो हमारे लिए डिफरेंट वे से, डिफरेंट तरह से हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है। और by the features we explain, we prove that these are the most important parts of the land for us. ये डिफरेंट वे से, अलग अलग तरीके से हमारे लाइफ में हमारे लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, ओके। तो सो देयर आर द 4 landforms। एनीबॉडी asked to you, कोई भी आपसे पूछ सकता है what is the landforms, आप इजीली बोल सकते हो the features of the lands is called landforms। there are 4 landforms और 4 landforms को हमने explain किया है, और the features how the landforms are the valuable for the human beings, how important for the us, so these are the features which are mentioned in this table, and by which we explain to the different landforms as the different way these are the important for the human life and us. And now the last topics, last line of every feature I explain and write down the proportion of our nation of the different landforms. 19%, 11%, 43%, and 27%. These are the separation of the landforms of our nation. Our nation's area is also explained that 3.2 at million. जैसा कि आप 9th क्लास में पढ़ कर गए होंगे कि एरिया ऑफ आवर नेशन, अगर हमारे राष्ट्र का पूरा जो है ना नेशन का टोटल ज्योग्राफिकल जो एरिया है वो 3.28 मिलियन किलोमीटर स्क्वायर या 32,37,263 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया है। और उस एरिया को अगर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे नेचुरली फॉर्म में तो दीज आर द फोर पार्ट्स ऑफ द लैंड फॉर्म एंड हिल्स, माउंटेन्स एंड द प्लेट्यू एंड mountains. Okay, these are the four, and the every landforms has own features, own value, and own importance for the human beings. And I explain to this in a different way. Okay, and now the some questions arise on these the topics and write down as the homework. Okay, and the questions. क्वेश्चन होमवर्क है, आप बोल सकते हो असाइनमेंट है। ओके, आगे आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज लैंड फॉर्म्स? explain it. Second question है, make a diagram of landforms with its proportion. Okay, third question है, explain the features of mountain. Okay, next question है, question number 4, how plains is important for human. Okay, next question number 5, how much geographical area of our nation? Okay, these are the 5 important questions of these the topics, and I think you do it with the notebook, and submit in school campus. That will be the checked by me or the another teachers, and then that will return to you. Okay, this is not only homework, it is also the assignment of geography, and write down this in your notebook and submit in the school campus. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.